Check, one, two. I always wanted to say that. Hello, my name's Tire Ted from Cleveland, Ohio. I've been in the tire industry for over 3 decades. I'm launching a series of videos to share what I know, start a discussion, and have some fun. Let's see where this goes. I sold medium truck tires for years. I just like talking about them. I was in a factory down south years ago, and a man with a heavy French accent said, load a dozer, scrape tires. So we could go over OTR tires. Why would you drill a hole in a brand new tire? Some folks say love makes the world go round. True. Some folks say money makes the world go round. I say tires make the world go round. So this first video is about retailing tires in person and flat repairs. Let's get started. Someone comes into your store and say, hey, I'm interested in buying some tires. Great. First thing you gotta do is go out to the car. They're more than welcome to join you. You go to the left front tire. All these categories will be broken down in future videos. But at the left front tire, you're going to see what size is on there. You're going to check the tread depth. What's the date code? You're looking for dry rot. Any mechanical wear. Any injuries to the tire. Note, do they have wheel locks? And as you're backing away, is there any minor vehicle damage on that quarter? Then it's straight over to the door placard. For instance, somebody came in a pickup truck. You saw on the left front tire LT 275. Well, on the placard, it's a P. It's just a passenger 275. As the sale unfolds, what is the appropriate application for them? Then you head over to the left rear tire. Just to review, you're checking the size, the tread depth, the date code. You're looking for dry rot, any mechanical wear. Do you see any injuries? Do they have wheel locks? And note any minor vehicle damage on that left rear quarter. So you're headed over to the right rear tire, the same 8 steps. You check the right front tire. Now there's no speculation, ambiguity, conjecture. You don't have to go down any of those rabbit holes. You just Sergeant Joe's Friday it. You have the facts. They say in sales, people spend money to solve problems. They need new tires. You're more likely to help them if you have the facts. So with that shared, how's it going so far? Let me know. And let's go to the 2 flat repairs. Someone comes into your store and they say, hey, I got a tire leaking. Well, the first thing I ask, is it the right rear tire? As we know, most flats are right rear. They stand up curb debris and run it over. You ask that, they'll say, how did you know? Well, you're taking the onus off the manufacturer and the merchant. It's something that happened while they were operating the vehicle, and it's not some mysterious event. So, keep a spray bottle of soap at your workstation on your desk. You want them to go out to the car with you for this. So it is the right rear tire. You're checking for a run flat ring. Take the valve cap off. Spray that valve. You're looking for tiny bubbles. Do you see anything in the valve where the valve sits on the rim? Are there any bubbles coming out? A lot of times I'll go out to a vehicle There's the nail. Bam! It starts bubbling. You figured that one out. Now, as a tire wears out, it's below 430 seconds. Maybe it has some type of condition. When people want to fix worn out tires, I decline to proceed. It's just a liability. Whatever repair you do is not likely to hold, and it's a boomerang. They're coming back upset. I don't fix bald tires. That's just me. So that's the first two, the first video. The second video is going to be about tread depth gauges, wheel locks, and impact brakes, because nobody ever hit anything. For this video, my trivia question is, what was the first 80,000 mile passenger tire? My hint of this video or sales tip is, every trade publication that comes in the store, read it. Everything that comes across the internet, review it. You don't want to be caught flat-footed in the information age. Somebody comes in, is an old British rock star. I heard him once say, "Yes, sir, I know my business, sir." You want to stay current. One thing I do to stay current, the manufacturers have different spiff programs if you study their product. I go with one where you take tests at, excuse me, you get garments. You have other options, but you get the garments. They look nice and you look the part. I hope you enjoyed the first video. I look forward to discussion, all comments. Now, you know who you are out there. Keep your powder dry until I talk the difference between ply rated tires and cargo tires and red dot, yellow dot. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next video. Check, 1, 2.